What's up, design family, and welcome back to another episode of Fittdesign TV. So glad to have you back on the channel. On today's episode, we'll be looking at how you can make your customers feel special today. This is the second episode in our How to Make Your Customer Feel Special series. Honestly, managing to do this can not only help to create an intrinsic feeling of connection between your brand and your customers, it can also help to build up loyalty, and ultimately it can help to drive sales to your brand, which means more revenue and which means more growth, which is ultimately something we want. So on today's episode, we've already looked at how you can deploy brand products in unique ways to create this feeling of specialness with your customers. We're going to take a different approach on this specific episode. We'll be looking at how to curate a brand experience when it comes to things that are not tangible, and how these things can actually help to create this special experience with your customers. So if you guys enjoyed episode 1, I definitely think you're going to enjoy episode 2. And if you haven't watched episode 1, you can watch these in no particular order. Honestly, they both are different views of a similar sort of concept. So buckle up, you guys are in for a good one. Hey guys, and welcome to Fittdesign TV. So glad to have you here. On this channel, we discuss all things sports fashion, graphic design, manufacturing, and technology. We'll discuss key topics, answer pressing questions, and provide actionable steps on starting your own product line. If you're interested in any of the above topics, stick around. You're in for a good one. When it comes to the brand experience, instead of simply stopping at the products you're offering and focusing on those specific ways of making a customer feel special, consider actually carving out your brand's unique experience and the services that it actually offers to your customers. When it comes to the specific ways that you can actually help to enhance this brand experience, one of the first ways that comes to mind is going to be by throwing exclusive events. At the end of the day, offering a ticket or an invite to an exclusive event is going to have the effect of helping that invitee to feel special and ultimately as if they are a part of something that is bigger than themselves. This is a great way to tie them closer to the community that you're building. The types of events that you can actually consider throwing are things like trunk shows. These can be specifically held for your VIP customers only, and again, it can create this air of exclusivity to your brand. Also, consider offering home shopping experiences. This can be an easy way to showcase products to your customers in the comfort of their home. And lastly, you can offer personal stylist services. So by deploying personal stylists, you can give your customers a taste of your brand with their own unique twist. And you can also show them that you're aligned and you're attuned to what they like about your brand. Number 2 is that you need to offer a personalized shopping experience to your customers. Seasoned retailers are going to know who their best customers are, how frequently they shop, and typically what they tend to buy. So by offering a personalized customer experience, you're going to be able to help to keep your customers loyal to your brand and allow them to continue to want to engage with what you're offering. Consider actually using technology to attract valuable customer data that you're going to be able to deploy so that you can actually help to curate this specific and unique customer experience. The easiest way to provide a personalized shopping experience is through your online website. The user format and the product suggestions should be customized and tailored to fit each and every single customer's spending habits and their needs. Also, once a repeat client will actually reach your landing page, their profile, their preferences, and their settings should automatically be loaded. This is going to make their shopping experience that much more frictionless and speedy. Also, when it comes to an in-store shopping experience, it's essential to make sure that your customer profiles actually have saved transaction histories. That way, your sales stores associates are going to be able to pull that up automatically, know what your customer wants, and provide them with the most unique and specialized experience. All of this is going to help them feel important and ultimately make them feel special and a part of your brand, as if you're paying attention to their exact needs. To recap, we looked at how to make your customers feel special by offering a personalized shopping experience, all with the intention of bringing them closer to your brand and again, helping them to feel special. If you guys enjoyed this episode, consider smashing a thumbs up and subscribing if you haven't done so already. We put out great content on a week-to-week basis and haven't missed a beat in over 2 years. We put out content every Wednesday and Sunday, so definitely join us along for the ride. On episode 1, we actually ended up discussing how to curate your brand's products specifically and how to deploy them in unique ways, again, with the intention of making your customers feel special. So if you haven't checked it out, consider doing so. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Fittdesign TV. Until next week's episode, stay awesome.